I'm Madhuram Nagendra. I'm an Indian, born and brought up in Bangalore. I've completed my post-graduation in Bangalore, and I've been trained under Guru Shri T.S. Bhatt for nearly 15 years now. Post this, I've received 110 state-level awards. After this, I received the Rashtriya Ratna Award in Delhi for the services I've rendered towards my country. And I received a scholarship last year, and I went to London to do my MBA, which is Masters in Business Administration, and with specialization in global marketing. And while I was pursuing my studies there, I got this opportunity to audition for the Olympics. I gave my auditions, not one, not two, but 3 rounds of auditions, and I got selected as a cast member, and I was overwhelmed with joy because it was really difficult for me to clear all the auditions and become a cast member. And considering the fact that it's a huge event, there are thousands of people across the globe working towards it. In an error of judgment, I resulted in walking with the athletes. In the eventuality, I've heard the sentiments of my people, my brothers and sisters, for which I extend my apologies. Considering the fact that I'm an Indian and I'm a child of my motherland, my people have always supported me and guided me and have been a strong pillar of support and encouragement in all the endeavors, in all my actions and endeavors. I personally feel that my people will continue to have faith in me, that I will do wonders in my motherland. I have returned back now, and I want to do wonders in my country, and I hope with my heart that my people will support me for everything.
Madhura, but don't you think that by using the word error of judgment, you're trivializing the mistake that you did? The fact of walking on an Olympic contingent, which has not happened with other 190 countries, has happened only in India. So don't you think that you're trivializing the whole, the gravity of the situation? Don't you think that you're not realizing the mistake that you have done?
Of course, I've realized the mistake. As a strong young individual, I have come up in front of my whole country to apologize and tell them what has happened. I claim that I have not breached the security, which was stated earlier in the media. I have not trespassed. I have not gate crashed. I was supposed to be a part of the, I am a part of the casting committee, and accepting the fact that I have heard the sentiments of my people. That's why I've come across, and I'm telling my people that yes, I understand it was a mistake, and I apologize for the same.
When did you realize yourself that it was a mistake? When did you realize you were immediate after that thing happened? You realized that it was a mistake, or how?
Actually, nothing was out in the media for a day, and I was in London. I was not in India. And I returned back to India. There was a lot of chaos in the media, in the social networking websites and Facebook, and of course in all the medias. But yeah, once I came back, I realized that yes, it was a mistake, and yeah, and that's why.
That while you were walking, didn't you realize that it was a mistake on the track, on the opening ceremony?
Actually,
next to Sushil Kumar, in front of the. While Sushil Kumar was carrying the Indian flag,
yeah.
While you were walking there,
everyone dressed in their own uniform.
Dressed in their own uniform, didn't you realize that you were out of place?
Like as I said, it was a huge event. Thousands of people were involved, and yes, it was an error of judgment, and I did walk with the athletes. But at that point of time, I was blinded. It was an error of judgment, and people have. LOCOG people, committee people have already given an explanation regarding this, and I do want to comment further regarding this.
IOA got in touch with you. Is there anything on the
inquiry committee, because there was written complaint
sorry,
from
what?
Indian contingent. There was written complaint from Indian contingent to IOA, International Olympic Committee.
Yeah.
You have given any reply from your side, written reply or anything?
Yeah, that explanation they have already given. The people who have power, people with authority, they have given. But I wanted to personally come in front of my people and apologize, because I'm an educated girl, and unfortunate things do happen, and I feel that my people will put this behind and accept my apologies and help me with moving forward.
Did the organizing committee there get in touch with you, asking you how
Any inquiry
you
or any
got to go on the track?
Yes.
And what did they ask you and what did you tell them?
There was a lot of inquiries done, and they've come up with their statement already.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Taking shots, Aravind.